Among all the flowers I chose only you. My love, I will give it all to you. I truly cannot bring myself to forget you, because you're